So, napag-usapan na natin, okay, may target ka na-breakdown mo na per department, and then, na-divide mo into PhilHealth engine and the non-PhilHealth engine. Ngayon po, pag-usapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-critical. PhilHealth engine. Bakit? Kasi, eto ang totoo. Sa dalawang engine ng hospital, yung PhilHealth ang may pinakamaraming rules. Hindi ito basta billing lang, hindi ho ito encode lang, hindi ICD-10. May guidelines. Ito may clinical standards, may audit, may dahilan kung bakit binabayaran at kung bakit tinidinay. At dito, nagkakaroon ng problema ang maraming hospital. Hindi ho trained yung mga doktor ninyo. Akala nila, basta gumaling yung pasyente, okay na. Pero po sa PhilHealth, okay, it's not enough yung ginamot mo lang yung pasyente. Dapat na-document ng tama. Dapat ho aligned sa standards. Kumpleto. Kahit ho tama ang diagnosis pero kulang naman ho yung documentation, hindi ho kayo babayaran. Now imagine this, no? Isang case, okay? 30,000 pneumonia, may 50,000, may 100,000, may 500,000. Denied dahil mali ang, hindi dahil mali yung treatment, kung hindi dahil hindi naintindihan ng sistema. So, at kung mangyari yan ng maraming beses, okay, that is not now a small loss that may end up losing millions of pesos. So ano ho yung solusyon? Napasimple. You need to train your doctors. Hindi ho ito optional. Hindi ho ito nice to have. Training the doctors is critical ho sa revenue. Kasi sila, okay, ang nagsisimula ng lahat. Yung chief complaint kay Doc, yung history galing kay Doc, yung PE galing kay Doc, yung orders galing kay Doc, final diagnosis galing kay Doc. Diyan pa lang, nadidetermine na ho na kung mabayaran ba yung claim nyo or madi-deny. So kapag ang doctors ninyo, let us say, naintindihan ho yung PhilHealth concepts, alam yung rules, alam ang dapat gawin, at kung ano yung iwasan. My God, dyan pa lang ho. Okay? Gagana yung PhilHealth engine ninyo. Hindi na siya trial and error. Hindi na siya bahala sa encoder or hindi na siya tsamba. It becomes a system driven by correct clinical decision. At pag nangyari ho yan, okay, biglang magbabago yung outcome. Less return, less denied, and then tataas ngayon yung bayad. Your collection will gradually increase. And that is where the real growth will happen. You start from 100 million to 300 million, and then you will be surprised. You're at 700 million. At hindi dahil dumami yung patients, kundi dahil every case gets paid. Now, if you want to see kung paano namin tinitrain ang mga doctors at paano nagiging system ho ito sa hospital, just like what we're doing in masterclass, join me in our session. I'll show you how the PhilHealth engine can work starting, okay, with you, and it's not against you. Okay? See you soon.